everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Dee and this is How Dee Does It. It is finally Christmas Day, and if you still don't have any nails on your hands for Christmas, I got you. This is a beginner friendly, super cute Merry Cowmas nail set that I'm going to do, and it's just a couple of items that you need. The prep that I did on these nails, and these are the Ombre nails from Apres, by the way. The link will be in the description box. The only nail prep that I did was etch the bottom, etch the top surface, and now I'm going in and applying a matte top coat. The next thing that I'm going to do is take this 001. This is from Daily Charm. And I am going to just take a little bit of this along with a dotting tool. And I'm just going to go over on 4 of the nails. And I'm going to make these cow prints. I'm not going to be too perfect with them. I want them to look like they are natural and not something that I actually just drew on. But have fun with it. After I'm finished, I am going to cure it for 60 seconds. And remember to apply them thin so that this doesn't wrinkle on you. All right, next thing I'm going to do is find a couple of cute charms to add to these nails because, again, they're going to be super easy, super basic. I changed all of my charms out of the plastic cases and put them in this. 1, it keeps them from oxidizing. And 2, it's just easier for me to flip through a book. All right, so the next thing that I did was went in with the Not Polished Pigment Palette, and I'm just going to add a touch of blush pink to the center of all 6 of these nails. Off camera, I'm going to add sticky to them and cure it for 60 seconds because I'm going to be adding cow stickers to all of these nails with the blushes. The reason why I did this is because the stickers are white and the nails are white, so I wanted to have something to break up all of that, and it just added that cute little touch that these nails needed. Now that all of the stickers are applied, I'm just going over all of the nails with a matte top coat, and then I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. I don't know what it is. I'm obsessed with matte nails right now. I just love the contrast between the matte and the shiny. So, of course, the next thing that I'm going to do is go over all of the parts that I want shiny, like the black patches and the cow. I'm going to go over the cow stickers. And when I'm finished, that too will get a 60-second cure. All right, time for my quick PSA because this video is short and we're already halfway through. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you know each and every time a new video is posted. I always post DIY press-on type nails, super easy, beginner-friendly type nails. If you like the content that you're seeing in this video, don't forget to hit the like button. All right, back to the video. So now I'm just going over a couple of more places that I want it to be shiny. And then I'm going to add the bobble onto this one. And I did a whole video on bobble nails before I posted this one. So if you haven't seen that video, be sure to check that one out as well. These are super easy and so cute, and it is still trending this year. All right, so what I'm doing is just going over with a thick 3D jelly. You can probably use a thick top coat if you have that. Just going over where the ornament is and then turning it over so that gravity will pull that into the center of the nail. Now I am using a rhinestone gel from Makartt, and I am just using that to adhere this bow. It is a metal bow, so I wanted that to be on there really strong, and I made sure that it was around and seated in there really good. And then I'm just going to use that same rhinestone gel, and I'm going to put a couple of adornments on here. So I think I put a star up at the top of the tree, and then just a couple of balls, which are those caviar beads on the Christmas tree. I am still blown away at how fast I did these nails and how easy they were. Anytime I need to elevate some nails, I am going to stickers, glitter, and rhinestones and little adornments like I put on these nails because I can't draw. I'm never going to hand draw too much of anything unless I'm just sitting and practicing. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed the finished look. Let me know what your thoughts on these nails. I thought the cow print stickers were so cute. I had to do something with them. Anyway, thanks for joining, you guys. Thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere else, but you decided to be here with me. That's the end of this video. Take care. Bye.